Okay, this is Hensho new Cybertruck running boards. Cast aluminum, and you have 4 bracket that works with the OEM screw that already exists in your Cybertruck, and also the pre-existing screw holes to mount the bracket. And then you just lay this running board on top, tighten it up, and you're good to go. Takes about 15 minutes per side. So let's go ahead and go over what you get in the package. So you get 4 brackets for each side, 2 per door. Is labeled. You can see it right side, right side, right side, so you can't mess this up. It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 1, 2, 3, 4. And how you install this is very easy actually. So Tesla actually have pre-screw holes underneath past the actual side skirt. These holes here, you will be using that. And underneath the actual side skirt, you have a 10mm bolt right here where you unscrew that. You don't need to remove any cover. So you still have the aerodynamic of the Cybertruck, how it's built. And then these mount just sits right underneath it. And don't worry about it damaging the actual trim. It actually comes with these extender, the actual bracket. And these are also cast aluminum separation, so it won't damage the actual plastic trim. It comes with all the screws you need as well. And again, these are just 10mm. You want to unscrew the bottom, and then it comes off fairly easy. I'll show you how that screw looks like. So these are the Tesla screw, but they give you the extended version, so you can actually place this separation so it doesn't mess up your trim, and it lines up perfectly with the actual running boards. Okay, first you want to remove this 10mm bolt using the tool provided by Hensho. Turn it clockwise, so it's the opposite down here. So you want to do clockwise. And then once you have it a little loose, go ahead and loosen it with your fingers. If you have an impactor, it'd be a lot easier to unscrew this and a lot quicker. But you don't, the actual running boards has the tool that you need to remove this. And this is the only bolt that you remove. Tesla pre-drill a hole here for a screw, and that is the other screw that you'll be using from Hensho to mount the bracket. Go ahead and grab your R4 for the front, and you see how it lines up, just like that. And using the 10mm bolt that is provided with the kit, put a washer through, the large washer, like that. Get the bracket, and before you put this through, make sure you get that extender. Place this on top on the opposite side of the actual bracket. So on this side, and then you put the Hensho 10mm bolt through, just like that. Okay. And then first you want to tighten up the 10mm bolt. Again, to tighten is lefty-lefty on these brackets, okay? And next, grab the shorter bolt that's provided with the kit, put it through the washer, and now you'll be putting this through the bracket and mounting it to that pre-existing screw hole that Tesla already drilled into the Cybertruck. And then using the tool that is provided, go ahead, line it up. and then just hand tighten all the screws. And once you feel enough resistance, don't over torque it, and you're done. And do that for the other 3 brackets. And that's just it. So I'll show you how it looks. So 1, 2 screw per bracket. Now do the same for the other 3. Okay, down to the last 2 bracket. So loosening the 10mm bolt that is holding up the side skirt. And once you loosen it with the long extended wrench, go ahead and elongate it and then just turn it. And again, counterclockwise to loosen it. Sorry, to loosen it is lefty. So and then save this for when you want to revert it back to OEM. And get the new 10mm bolt, put the washer through, put it through the actual bracket itself, and then put the actual separator, divider between the actual trim. Just line it up. And you just want to tighten this enough so it doesn't drop. And next, get the smaller, shorter bolt, put it through the washer. And then now get your tool to tighten it up. So tighten it up as clockwise. So with these bolts, you actually turn it clockwise to loosen it. Use the hand shell, put the washer through, put it through the bracket, and then put it through the extender. And that is it. So it goes on just like that. So what you want to do is, the easiest way is to place the running board on top first. And then slide it on. You have a couple lock mechanism plus 2 nuts. And that is it. Okay, so this is how it looks like once installed during daytime. Looks absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at the other side. Here's the side profile. And it sits flush with the actual wheels itself. So if you're interested in this product, check out link in the description of this video.